Well, welcome back, everybody. I hope you are having a phenomenal weekend. Boy, what an exciting week of trading here. Let's really kick off here and remind you what we talked about here in the last few videos. I know for those of you that follow every one of my videos religiously, it's a little bit redundant perhaps, but you know what? To reinforce always what we've said in advance, what happens afterwards, that's so important so you can realize that history repeats itself over and over again, with the methodologies and the strategies, and so learning them has a lot of value. So as we take a look here, we warned you that we had the 3 accumulation bars on the weekly chart there with the SPY, right? So the S&P 500 ETF, and what we're going to be looking for, we had the resistance, the support and resistance here, same thing here, and same thing here. And so what we were saying was, as long as we kept moving up towards that middle line there, I'd be looking for long side trades, right? And if we get through that line, they'll be looking for long side trades, through here, right? Not that I won't find short side trades potentially if the market rolls down, but I have gone ahead in my trading this particular week, been all long side trading. And that was the right thing for me to do, as it was another great week. I'm super excited about 2023 here. And so what's happening now, armed with that information, is I'm going ahead and focusing on the intraday basis here. So let's talk about that a little bit more. So as we have the intraday setups, I'm looking where we transition from the short side trades back to the long side. Now, I want to talk about swing trading just for a moment, kind of flipping back and forth here. On the swing trading side, Ted ended up doing 6 different long side trades this week and went ahead and had a great week across the board. He closed out all 6 of those trades. Exciting. Past performance is not indicative of future results, but we're going to review some of those trades there at the upcoming Wealth 365 Summit here into next week. So you do not want to miss the Wealth 365 Summit and how we're trading with live real money. Ted used live real money there in his trading account there and did those 6 trades. All 6 trades of those went ahead and moved positively, and we're going to show you, what that looked like. And so on my end here, I was focusing on the intraday basis here. And so what we had was we had the 5-minute chart transitioning from the sell side back to the long side here. We were pushing up, pulling back into rising support, pushing up, pulling back, pushing up, pulling back. You get the point here, pushing up, pulling back, pushing up, and even into the end of the day, pushing up, pulling back. So then on the 1-minute chart, we were pushing up, pulling back, pushing up, pulling back, pushing up, pulling back. So that led to great long side trading here as well. And for those of you that know, this indicator right here is being given to every single one of you wealth charters here on Monday. Super excited to release it. We got a special 2-hour event because Wealth Charts turns 3 years old on Monday. We've won multiple awards, put in hundreds of indicators, strategies, tools, things for you, and we're giving you some big ones that really helped me and Ted here back in 2022 and into 2023 here. So I can't wait to go and give this to all of you as Wealth Charts members this coming Monday, and also train you on this and several other, of course, tools. We're going to be discussing here the entries, and exits and how to manage trades from our perspective. And we're going to be showing you live trades and things that we have done here throughout the week. And again, past performance is not indicative of future results. Every trade has risk, but you know what? 2022 is one of my best years in recent memory. Ted's, I think it was his absolute best. We'll let him speak for himself. I think he said it was his absolute best ever. And in the last few years, certainly. And, 2023 is already off with a bang with Ted doing his 6 trades there. And, he's got a lot going on. He's got a busy life. So he swing trades, his situation with his dad and everything else. And so it's great to see him going and doing so well there as well. So great job, Ted. And for all of you, this is going to be a big week ahead with the Wealth 365 Summit. I've got multiple speaking engagements there where I'm going to be sharing you these different strategies, giving access to some wonderful, wonderful new tools. This is just one of them. So big week ahead. Can't wait to see you guys and show you the strategies that are doing the right things for me that I want to see in my trading accounts right now. So exciting. So go to joinwealth365.com, www.joinwealth365.com, and you'll get taken to this page right here, and you can get registered for the show. But make sure you come see me Monday morning there. You're going to see myself, Ralph Akampora, Adla, a host of different people. Dr. Scott's going to be speaking. I'll be speaking for 2 hours. I believe it's from 12 o'clock Eastern to 2 p.m. Eastern, so 11 o'clock Central to 1 p.m. Central. And so super, super excited to have all of you there. Even our California crew should be able to find the time to get in there as well, so I can't wait to see our West Coast friends as well. So big week ahead, and we'll see you guys there bright and early Monday morning. Again, joinwealth365.com. I got a big week in store for you. I can't wait to see you guys here next week and make 2023 great like 2022 was. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.